Hey guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel. And in today's video, what I want to be talking about is how you can make money uploading YouTube videos on YouTube from home. Okay, now I did do a previous video about how you can use a certain tool, which we are on right now. It's answersocrates.com, of how you can find content to create good content on your YouTube channel. Okay, so what happens is that when you're a YouTube creator, sometimes you can run out of content to create, and this is a really good way to get on endless amounts of content ideas so that you can create more fresh content every single day. Okay, because it's really important on YouTube to be uploading every single day. Okay, so first of all, we're going to go onto this website. Now, what is this website? This website is extremely powerful, guys. It basically pulls up on all topics questions that people are actually typing into Google, and have questions about whether it's I mean, they've got trending topics over here, and any topic that you type in. Okay, so you type in the topic. We're going to do keto for in this video. Yeah, and basically it will pull up. Okay, so we type in the country, we also select the country. Okay, so if you're targeting the United States, then you want to select that. If you're targeting another country, you want to select that. Okay, but we're going to go to search, and basically what it does is it pulls up all of the relevant questions that people are actually searching on Google. Now, why is this so powerful? Well, it's powerful because what we can do is we can create content around that question, okay? Whether we do our own research and finding answers to that question, because ultimately what we're doing is we as entrepreneurs are solving people's problems, okay, giving them the solution. And then ultimately what you can do is you then promote a product as an affiliate marketer and get paid to sell that product. Okay, so in this video, to be honest, I've already done this before. I had problems with my last video, uploading the last video. So we're going to go to the question, the keyword that I found in the last video, and that was actually, I found a really hot keyword. Okay, and this was actually a product. It was a keto product. Okay, so when you can find, here it is, when you can find buying keywords. A buying keyword is basically when whoever's searching is typing for a name of the product, and that person is ready to buy. Like, you know that whoever is searching for this very keyword, they're looking to buy the product. Okay, so keto viante, where to buy. Okay, so then what you can do is we're going to go to Blaster, and I'm going to show you now this software I've spoken about in my previous videos. We're going to use two tools. So we're going to use this tool over here, and we're going to use Vidly, this tool. Okay, now Vidly is a very powerful tool of, you can literally, guys, you can literally find profitable keywords to rank for on YouTube. Okay, so in a nutshell, how you make money with YouTube is all about ranking. Okay, because if you're not ranking on
here you will be
YouTube,
able to spy on your competition and find
if you're not ranking on YouTube, no one's going to see your videos. You're not going to get any subscribers. You're not going to get any views, and you're not going to get any eyeballs, and therefore you're not going to make any sales. Okay, so when you use this tool, what it does is it helps you find the keywords, tells you how many searches per month the keyword gets,